Welcome to the Schluter Systems Tips and Tricks video series. Today I'll walk you through how to order the KERDI-LINE linear drain. KERDI-LINE is a low-profile linear floor drain specifically designed for bonded waterproofing assemblies such as the Schluter shower system. The drain can be installed adjacent to walls or at intermediate locations. The floor can be sloped on a single plane to KERDI-LINE, which enables the use of popular large format tiles. KERDI-LINE is comprised of a channel body and a grate assembly, which are ordered separately. The first step is to select a channel body length that fits your application. There are no hard and fast rules for choosing the channel body length. However, it is often desirable to select the channel body length such that it nearly spans the width of the shower enclosure. It is essential to keep in mind that the bonding flange extends approximately 1 inch beyond the channel opening on all sides, and that the outside length of the channel body must fit within the inside dimensions of the shower space. Of course, tile format and layout must be considered as well. The second step is to select a grate type according to taste. Now, option A is a closed design brushed stainless steel grate for a clean, simple, and modern look. Option B is a perforated brushed stainless steel grate for a classic appearance. And option D is a frameless, tileable covering support for a virtually invisible drainage line. Choose the length of the grate to match the length of the channel body opening. If you have selected option A or option B, you'll also need to select a corresponding grate frame. Please note that a frame is not used with option D. The frame is available in 2 heights to accommodate different tile thicknesses. Select the 3/4 inch frame for 1/8 inch to 9/16 inch thick coverings for standard ceramic and stone tiles. Select the 1 1/8 inch frame for 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick coverings for thicker ceramic tiles and dimension stone. Just a reminder, option D doesn't require a frame and can be used with any thickness covering. The Schluter shower system is versatile to fit the needs of your project. In addition to KERDI-LINE, you can choose from prefabricated substrates, including trays, curbs, benches, and niches, along with waterproofing membranes and waterproof building panels, to simply and easily produce a reliable, completely sealed assembly. Hope this helps when you get ready to order KERDI-LINE. Thanks for joining me today.